Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term pullback after an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that has now made a high above the 0.11967. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs in this bull cycle, and above all discuss the short-term key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2023, we saw an aggressive bounce over here in a move that gave us a new all-time high above the 0.21 mark, completing the formation of these impulsive additive count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this second wave into the minimum target areas for that wave 2 highlighted on the charts using that red target area, an area that is now giving us a bit of a reaction to the upside in what can easily turn out to be the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for these wave 3 on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.37256 as my next target area. And if that target area is hit, then Kaspa will be able to put in place a new all-time high, then expect a short-term pullback, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5 that should also give us a new all-time high. And for us to also get a confirmation that the wave 3 is just getting started, we need to see a break above these two swing highs, and the first one lies above the 0.15872, and the second one lies above the 0.21 mark. The moment we manage to break above those swing highs, flipping them back into support maybe with a retest, then that will be enough confirmation that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding here on the Kaspa chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, we are getting rejected within a key area of resistance between the 0.11681 and the 0.09589, which is the blue target area over here. And that is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made above the 0.13247 to the lows we made down here below the 0.06 mark, where you can see that we saw a pullback in a 5-wave structure. And the idea was that having seen a 5-wave structure to the downside, we should expect a bit of a corrective bounce in the next coming days that should get us into the area between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.5, which is the blue target area. And you can see we have managed to get into that target area, and if by any chance we get rejected within this target area, that will be a clear indication that we are going to get a bit of a short-term pullback to support on the 0.1 USDT mark, which is down here. And if by any chance we lose the 0.1 USDT mark, then expect a deeper retracement that can find support within the Fibonacci's, that is within the golden pocket, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made below the 0.06 mark to the highs we made above the 0.11 mark. And on so doing, you can see the golden pocket lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 0.08971 and the 0.08283, which is this target area down here. And also remember that in case we continue seeing that bullish momentum and we break out of the blue target area to the upside, that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding over here, and we can continue pushing higher, breaking above these swing highs that I just shared on the weekly chart. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.